Hello my friends, welcome to Trading KS. Today is 17th of November 2024. So today we want to take a look at the Malaysia. Okay, all the stock we review the whole week lah. So we want to check the first step. Okay, after we review how is the progress. Okay, progress no good, we cut. Progress good, we continue to hold lah. Okay, so a quick disclaimer first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, look at consumer sector. 99 GCB HEIM. 99, okay, 99 no yet breakout, tried to break out but didn't break out, 2.42. Okay, we can hold above 2.42, maybe got one more push up lah, but you need to hold 1.42 lah. Okay, but down there didn't. If we can get through 1.42, or maybe we got another. Okay, another push towards 290 lah. Okay, but have to wait lah. GCB any rebound a chance to run too low now, a bit big drop, double top, we really profit already this one better not chase . Heineken slowly going up. This one got chance long term lah. Okay, slowly this one maybe got chance long term. Okay, as long as stay in the channel lah. But maybe slow lah. Looks like slow lah. Okay, MSM by YOCB. MSM any rebound chance to run I think maybe pick bottom a bit also doesn't look good lah. Even pick bottom also doesn't look good. You need to hold 1.08 lah. If you cannot hold 1.08, maybe coming lower lah. Just very weak lah, very weak lah. BURSA very weak. YOCB breakout also doesn't look good lah. Also slow down already. This one normally I don't play lah because low volume lah. Okay. AIZO, Azam Jaya. Look at this construction. Like, share, comment, and support the channel AIZO also not moving. This one is MindTech, right? Okay, so you need to push to 0.16, then only we talk lah. Azam Jaya. Azam Jaya starting to turn around already. Be careful. Okay, starting to turn around already. Lows are coming back down already. Okay. BNASTRA is at the top lah. I think look like at the top lah, not a good place to buy now lah. If you cannot hold 1.34, be careful lah. KERJAYA, SUNCON. KERJAYA also not moving. Okay, you need to break to 2.18, then only can go higher. Now you got stuck here. Okay, look like could be double top, be careful lah. If you drop below 1.96, be careful. SUNCON still sideways, not moving. Drop below 4.14, maybe drop lower. It break to 4.68, maybe can come back here to test the top 5.11 lah. But I doubt it can go higher lah because BURSA is so weak. ARMADA, CARIMIN, DAYANG. Okay, look at energy. ARMADA.
ARMADA got chance with the news but it need to stay above 0.52 lah. Especially if it drop below 0.49 then difficult lah. CARIMIN no rebound yet, but a bit really came down a bit. I think CARIMIN also not very strong. DAYANG also still downtrend, nothing much to talk about. DIALOG we waiting for rebound 2.09, need to break to 2.09, still nothing much happening. T7 Global still sideways, break to 0.54, only we talk. USMA still downtrend, okay, quite bad lah. Okay, ABMB, RCECAP. KAB really hit target area lah. Maybe still can go a bit higher. So you see big red candle, all those you have to maybe take profit lah. RCECAP still uptrend lah, but don't buy at the top lah. Better buy after retracement. It dropped below 1.45 danger. Okay, Hata. Glove also not moving. Bursa nothing moving lah. Hata stay above 3 ringgit, okay. Maybe long term lah, still okay. DESTINI, Hong Leong Industry, look at industry. DESTINI got new project. Okay, DESTINI will rebound here lah, but still inside the channel lah. You be careful 0.42 lah. You cannot break through, it might come back lah. Okay. Even got new project lah. Hong Leong Industry, HEIM. Hong Leong Industry reached target area already, consolidating already lah. This one take profit area. Okay. HEIM Industry already head and shoulder, came back up, also not so good. If you cannot hold 3.19, be careful. It's still slowly going up, but you cannot hold 3.19, be careful. TEXCHEM also not good lah. Break the support. Also quite bad lah. TEXCHEM. Any rebound run lah. Okay. NATGATE, I think maybe still can grow a bit higher, but I think this is the top already lah. I think unlikely it can go much higher. So do take note lah. Okay. This area lah, maybe consolidate, maybe push a bit higher. Okay, but these are the 2.4 area lah. 2.4 area I think is a take profit area lah. Maybe still can push a bit higher lah. Wait a few more days and see. SENFONG. Any rebound chance to run we got head and shoulder here. Any rebound chance to run. SENFONG already downtrend already. Okay, have to look. Already coming back down lah. Okay, MSC, SSTEEL. MSC look at head and shoulder, I think so not well lah. Also fail lah the rebound. SSTEEL also cannot stay above 0.56. Be careful, it might start to drop also lah. Okay. FGV, Genting, look at Plantation. FGV really broken support, is also not good, dropping. HSPLANT after retrace, I think maybe still can long term because it broke up from this sideways pattern lah. Okay, you try to buy it after the drop, I think. INNO also lah, top channel drop first lah, wait for it. IOI also maybe still got chance to go up lah. But I think now because this plantation price, this CPO price coming down a bit, maybe it can come down a bit lah. It may come down a bit lah. Or maybe want to buy it maybe at wait for a drop first lah. Jata also all start to drop. Okay, STG also start to drop. At least short term you drop first lah. Okay, wait for a lower price lah. SOP also same thing lah. Take profit first. THPLANT also lah. I think it will retrace a bit. Maybe long term still got chance to go higher lah. But short term I think it will retrace a bit lah. THS also, I think it will retrace a bit. United also. United I think here is probably the top lah. I think it will come back down lah. PGF. PGF a bit weird, but it got stuck here. I think 2.44. You have to look at 2.41 lah. If we cannot break 2, then be careful lah. Okay, I think it got stuck here. CITOS Go Hub. Like, share, comment. Remember, support the channel. CITOS. Okay, CITOS got chance lah. 1 point. Stay above 1.24. Okay, but if you drop 1.114, then you have to be careful lah. I think CITOS got chance to go lah. With the case settle and with a good P&L, maybe a good report. Go Hub, okay, still going up. I think probably 1.52 still got chance. Great Tech after short term target hit, it's coming back down. Long term, you need to stay above 1.89. If you can stay above 1.89, maybe okay. But you drop below 1.89, be careful lah. Okay, for long term lah. HTPADU also coming back down after hit target. ITMAX also lah. I think ITMAX also difficult to go higher. Got stuck here 3.44. You cannot hold 3.44. Be careful lah. Especially if it drop below here 3.19. KGB okay. KGB breakout. Maybe still got chance to go higher as long as stay above 2.95. PENTA also trying to rebound long term. Now trying to making a bottom lah long term. Notion this one jackpot lah. See whether can hit or not lah. But I think this one any rebound chance to run because the goring already happened during May. The big spike up. Normally you don't goring so fast lah. I mean within few months goring another 100%. I don't think so lah. I'm not saying guarantee will not happen, but most of the time it will not happen lah. UWC at resistance here, take some profit, short term take profit area, really long term maybe retrace away, maybe still can go higher for long term, but short term take profit first. I will take some profit first. VS okay, breakout, the news come out very good, the report, but after one gap up, I think now also difficult lah, slow down already. Maxis didn't get the 5G the second 5G drop lah, habis, so no chance. So difficult. AGX, MISC, Westport. AGX, tried to break up but fail. This one also not good. I think force break. MISC after the news with ARMADA drop already also difficult already. Okay. Looks like going down. Westport also quite high already. Take this one, maybe a bit still going for now lah. As long as say about 4.29, maybe still can go higher this one. But really very high lah. Play some coffee money maybe lah. But really very high. PBA. Okay, PBA no breakout yet lah. Okay, need to break out the channel. Especially breakout 2.63 lah. Okay lah, today Saturday, Sunday not much to talk about. Market very slow lah. Talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.